Your AirPods Pro case are not charging, even when you put it on charge overnight. Many users on various social media platforms complain about this problem. So in this video, we will show you some easy tips and tricks you can follow to fix this issue. Let's check it out. First thing you can do to fix this issue is to clean the charging port and inside the case properly. Often when the dirt and dust particles get stuck in there, which prevent it from charging. And also make sure to use the original charging cable and adapter from Apple because it can cause problem with the AirPods Pro case charging. If your AirPods Pro case is not charging, you can put it in the charging mode. Make sure both AirPods are in the case. Now connect the charger. Also make sure the case is open. Now press and hold the setup button in the charging case. Keep an eye on the charging light. It will start blinking and it will change the color to orange and it will be in the charging mode. If you can't charge your AirPod Pro with the charging cable, you can use wireless charging. Here we have the MagSafe. Put it on charge and see, it will start charging. Even if wireless charging also does not work, then it can be a hardware issue and you would need to take it to Apple Service Center. So guys, these are the ways you can fix AirPod Pro case not charging problem. That's it for now. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box and always stay with our channel for tips and tricks for Apple devices. Thank you.